Your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Nick Morganelli.
Good afternoon. Good to be with you today. We get the blend of sun and clouds out there right now. A little bit breezy at times. Temperature 45 in Providence, Smithfield at 42. And we're looking at temperatures to kind of maybe rise a couple more degrees, and then they'll start to fall. So today's going to end up being above normal, even though we've got 3 days behind us that are above normal. But February started well below normal with that Arctic outbreak, of course. And so the next several days will also be above normal, as the West Coast is going to stay cooler than normal, east of the Mississippi warmer than normal, and right here in the Northeast much above the average temperatures for this time of year, which were around 23 for a low and 40 for a high. We're actually going to be above those numbers over the next several days. So staying mild the next 7 days, showers Thursday evening and Thursday night. And then there's a weekend coastal storm that will really mean concerns for offshore waters, especially mariners, but it's a miss for now for us. We might get a little bit of sprinkles or drizzle. It'd be kind of a raw easterly wind for the most part, but that major storm is going to be another miss. Satellite radar showing the partial clearing across the area. We have holes in the clouds here after we had that shower last night. Here's the next system. Rain moving northward out of Texas and the lower mid-Mississippi Valley with this warm front that is developing here. This is the leading edge of very warm, humid air, and it's pushing northward into the cooler air. So we're forming this band of moisture here in the form of rain near the front, snow and mix on the north side. You can see a little bit of it right there. High pressure over us, giving us the light wind tonight, but it moves away tomorrow morning. It starts to move out. So we got this southerly breeze in here for tomorrow afternoon and evening as this warm front pushes in. Here's Thursday at 2 o'clock. It pushes north of us. They've got a little snow in northern New England, snow across the Quebec province of Canada, and then some heavy rain upstate New York. That moves through northern New England. They've got a mix of weather there, and we've got some showers that'll move through here. So the track of the low is important. It's moving through the Great Lakes and not sliding over us. So we're going to have periods of showers on and off. It's not an all-out rain. This low continues to track northward. Cold front sweeps in. This is the Futurecast Friday morning at 6 a.m. So we start to dry out, but the cool air lags behind. So Friday is actually a pretty mild day. The colder air doesn't really start getting in here until late in the day on Friday. A second cold front will form behind the system and push in to bring in the colder air Friday night and into the first part of Saturday. So 28 tonight. Moonlit sky out there. We should scour out most of these clouds. It's a lighter wind for tonight. It'll become less gusty as the sun sets. 46 tomorrow. Early sun and then evening showers. Could be a pretty sunrise tomorrow morning. And then we've got the evening showers around. Lots of clouds around during the afternoon. Southeasterly wind. And the 7-day forecast shows the warm day on Friday. 55 degrees. 42 on Saturday. So notice how it cools down from 38 Friday morning to 25 Saturday morning. Cools down about 15 degrees for the afternoon high from Friday to Saturday as that second cold front moves in. But the ocean storm stays away. I'll keep a couple of sprinkles or showers in there Sunday night into early Monday, but it could end up staying dry as it pushes south of us. So we stay kind of cool and raw in the 40s. That's the